就不能把我打断这个地位通信的约。但那这边的那了家看蒙蔽，汤天真这的北京比古人多，这边个汤天这的来千军他一家看的，死了他就是谁呢？俺自己娘的多东西。干的成都这里战争组织汤天当主的，先把些家追加这些动，不买些家俺家，娘些些家俺家这些当主群这生了一月。前段日考交接也不动，李家把家都点追进这的了米头个月。汤天那几个家境乱，早里战争组织当比这的当中黑的几月。成都早里战争组织汤天当中咋动的别活动，李家被缺些咋动个汤天老建了。让恰几个节菜了，些家开学也不动，让决定的教练也别，这的些个让你的咋通弄人真呢？点菜桥的，里边店里容易的，切着动特别这些。First, congratulations, your country won today. How do you feel?
I'm it's so unbelievable. I never thought that we hope for what you never can expect for this one. Yeah.
Okay, how did your performance go?
It was really tough. The heat in Switzerland is not that warm, and it was really tough for us. Yeah, to acclimate this climate. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Is this your first time to come to Chengdu?
Yeah, it's my first time in Asia. Yes.
Well, thank you. Have a good time.
Thank you.
要等那汤天真这等在这边参加千军他了，所谓的家开钱东波龙巴东，比利时家开钱尼巴，加美家开钱三巴龙松，等呢绿杂巴用了，这些点这些，等那今年开始弄了，前头成都中期了，从西部去东头比热瓦月。